Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily source for tech that upgrades your life. Today, we're checking out the AutoCast Mini 2025, a tiny but powerful device that adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to your existing vehicle. No installation, no hassle. If your car has wired CarPlay or Android Auto from the factory, this little dongle is going to change your driving experience. Let's start with what it does. The AutoCast Mini 2025 is a 2-in-1 wireless adapter that converts your existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a fully wireless connection. Just plug it into your car's USB port, pair it once with your phone, and boom, it auto connects every time you get in. No more pulling out cords or cluttering your dash. Everything is automatic, clean, and seamless. What makes the 2025 version different? Speed. The Mini now supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you faster connections, smoother audio, and more responsive touchscreen control compared to older 2.4 GHz models. There's no noticeable lag, even when launching apps or using voice commands. It works with most cars from 2016 onward that already support factory CarPlay or Android Auto via USB. Compatibility is broad, covering major brands like Ford, Toyota, Honda, BMW, Chevrolet, and more. Design-wise, it's compact, matte black, and practically disappears into your center console. It even comes with a short USB-C or USB-A cable depending on model, so setup is clean and minimal. Pairing is quick: plug in, wait for the LED to blink, connect once via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and you're good. It remembers your phone, so it reconnects automatically the next time you drive. Everything you love about CarPlay or Android Auto, from Google Maps and Waze to Spotify, Siri, and WhatsApp, works wirelessly and exactly how you expect it to. Voice assistants are responsive, music is smooth, and the screen mirrors perfectly to your infotainment display. For anyone tired of wired connections or looking to modernize their daily driving setup, the AutoCast Mini 2025 is a no-brainer upgrade. Hit that like button, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and check the link in the description to grab yours today. We test it so you don't waste it.